Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with a Tinkercad tip. So let's get cracking. Friends, we're going to start this tip with Tinkercad notifications. Friends, I love to check mine out every day to see who has given me reactions and then also who copied my work. Friends, whenever I do check them out, I always right click, open a new tab, and I check out their amazing designs as well and give them reactions as well. That is epic. Alright friends, so those are reactions, and that kind of leads me to where I am with today's tip. So one of my favorite people to follow is Alfonso. He is always checking out my designs. Of course, like I said, I like to check out his designs as well. Notice his designs are pretty cool, but there's one that does not show up. Friends, I have talked to Tinkercad, and if you open your design, make a tiny adjustment, and close it, that should be all it takes to fix your thumbnails. Now I am back at my website, HLModTech.com. If you click on the designer showcase, we have the designer directories, and one of my favorite designers, Sarah Kath, had an image that was not showing up. If we switch to recent, it was the gingerbread fairy house. For some reason that was broke. I shot her a note, she did the quick test, and boom, as you can see, she has all of her amazing thumbnails back in service. So friends, that is the whole tip. I do also want to remind you, if you visit HLModTech.com, you can always click on the instant messaging tool, shoot me a question, comment, or suggestion almost instantly. I do also want to highlight there is a link to the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, there are more than 600 members, and it is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, a huge shout out to all the users that take a moment to check out my designs. Don't forget, if you want to see them, you can click on Designer Showcase. You can find the HLModTech profile right here at the top, along with all these other amazing designers. If you want to be added to the list, don't forget you can reach out right here with that sweet built-in messaging tool. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you totally make my day if you take time to leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.